So, how does a matter arrive before an appellate court, or how does an issue on appeal arrive before the appellate court? How do they get their cases? As we've talked about before, appellate courts are charged with reviewing the record of trial from the trial court. Generally, except in situations where a statute says that a matter is automatically appealed or goes up for review by the appellate court, the party to litigation must appeal the decision of the trial court, must actively request that the appellate court review the trial court's decision or application of law, etc. They will always cite some reason that the law as that was applied is unconstitutional, that as it was applied it's unconstitutional, or that there was an error in the application of substantive or procedural law. And for that reason, the appellate court should review this and overturn or the decision, overturn the law, etc. So there has to be a justification. So generally, that's how it happens. Now, there are limited situations where at trial, a party can appeal a single matter in the trial, such as the introduction of evidence or the exclusion of a witness or something like that. That's called interlocutory appeal. That is, appeal that takes place during the pendency of the trial. And they're appealing it up to the appellate court and saying, hey, determine this issue because it prejudices my rights at trial and it will spoil the rest of the trial in some way, so it needs to be determined now. And again, it needs to be an issue of constitutionality or correct application of procedure or substantive law. Now, it's rare that the appellate court will accept this, and it's rare that the trial court will actually allow the interlocutory appeal of a matter or of an issue. Again, the party attempting to appeal has to demonstrate that this matter could be determinative of the outcome of the case. So in that situation again, but by and large, matters go before an appellate court, both at the federal and state level, from the trial court when a party appeals that matter directly to them based upon one of those roles of the appellate court in reviewing the law for constitutionality or correct application. But like I said, in some criminal law circumstances, a decision of the trial court automatically goes up for appellate review. So that's a statutory authorization.